Turbo. What you doing? Sit. Ah, that boy being good right now. You being good? You being good? You being good, my boy? You being good? Where you at? Up. That's a good boy. Gang, gang, gang. I'm on my road, dog. On straight protection mode right now. Then heard somebody come to the gate and he got on ass. Was on it immediately. That's what I like about him, boy. Be on point. Stay on point at all times. But hey, based on the title and thumbnail, y'all can see what's going on. Freaky getting the new brains put in right now. About to look mega crazy. I'm still waiting on a couple pieces as well. So that was literally like the delay because they was trying to knock it out. Turbo, chill out, my boy. Turbo. Turbo Migo ass right now, boy. He don't be playing. But yeah, still waiting on a couple pieces. Like I said, I was changing the mirror bracket, the rear view mirror bracket, and the brackets for the sun visor had needed to be changed out. Trying to think what else that I had needed to be changed out. Oh, and the interior dome light. So I got literally I got everything but the visor brackets right now. So Migo over here about to go ahead and get to it, do what he gotta do, get it all situated. Y'all see what's going on in here. So this just gonna pop out. This you gotta pop this, cause I got the new one for that. Cool, cool, cool. So these rods still gonna be usable, they still good. Cause this one a little further down. I don't know if that one been down. So it's good, he in there twerking and doing what he gotta do, man. Taking the rods out first. We're gonna have to vacuum this demonstration back out immediately after we done again. Yeah, I don't know what padding that is up in there. That's old padding, but shit, hey, it is what it is. Y'all see, you got it laid out right here. Turbo, Turbo, come on, get back, my boy. Laying it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, don't pee on my headliner. He good for going and getting, trying to mark his territory early. That's gonna blow me. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we gonna twerk it in. I don't know how you gonna do it. Hey, they do this. This is what they specialize in. So I really needed a table, but it is what it is. God damn, B. B just tried to attack me. Something crazy. They on vicious mode at this point. This is like the 3rd, 4th one that done tried to strike me. It's crazy. But that's literally the Alcantara up underneath there for y'all. So he getting the rods and everything situated. The new, I can show y'all the new mirror piece. The new mirror lick right here. All A-wiggity. New mirror piece, all A-wiggity. And then I ordered the new interior. The new interior, yeah, let's see. don't know how y'all be recording and utilizing y'all hands and stuff. Like when I see YouTubers do that, like y'all some good one-handed working motherfuckers, cause that should be hell. I'll be needing both my hands, but got the new interior, the interior dome light. As y'all see, it's a LED up in there. So nice LED joint. They say it's a plug and play, so literally the plug's right there and everything like that. So hopefully it's a nice simple plug and play type demonstration, and it's all get all situated. Are you need to take that out first and then put this one in, or is it just gonna plug in for that dome light? Cause it looked like it got all the wires to it too, the new one. So, you see how I got all the wires to it too, cause it's the LED one, it's not the regular one. Okay. So do you got to take all those wires out, or is it gonna be able to just plug, or you gonna take that whole old one out and then just run this one down to where that's at? I don't want to distract him. Let me let him stay focused and do what he gotta do, but I think that should be damn near ran first almost. So I see it go over into this side part. I see the wires go over into this side part right here, but I don't know what it plug into back there, if the seat gotta come out or what. But let them get it all figured out and situated. That's what they do. So once you go ahead and get all the rods and everything situated, I'll go ahead and show y'all how the headliner looking first. Visors won't be put in right now. New head bezel will be put in right now though. And I mean the interior dome light should be put in right now. Shit. I think that's it. I don't know. Just trying to watch. Like when he's working, it's hard for me to record because I'll be kind of like in the zone trying to watch. But I cut it on once he getting the headliner ready to be put in. I know y'all want to see him sticking the rods in all day. So sit tight, gang. See how the outcome look. Oh, here go the side pieces right here. Here the side pieces right here, so y'all can kind of get a gist of it. Oh shit, what the fuck is? Oh, okay. I'm like, what the hell? But yeah, y'all see it? Alcantara on the side. Got me new panels and stuff because the old panels, I don't know if y'all remember, the old panels was kind of bent up, like the old wood platform part was bent up. So all that back in place, ready to rock out, man. I'm excited. Ready to see how this thing gonna look with that Alcantara. I think it's gonna tee it up something mega crazy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm feeling like it's gonna be the lick in here. It's gonna give it that modern look when I'm sitting in here under that. Before, and then let's see the after, gang. Sit tight. Ha! Let's get it. Dang, I just saw the preview of how it's looking. That was the best decision I made going with that Alcantara, y'all. That shit looking good. That shit looking right in there, y'all. I guess I'll give y'all a little preview, man. Y'all see, you got the rods and everything in there. LED on, y'all see that LED bright up in there now too? Man, look at how it's coming. Wait till he lay it all flat, not hanging or nothing. Ooh, shit. Wait for the finished product, y'all. Wait for the finished product when he put the sides and everything in there. That Alcantara up top look nasty. God damn. Yes, sir. I'm geeking. I swear, these little bits and pieces just be teeing the car up so crazy to me. I get geeked over the littlest thing because it's literally, I'm just seeing the vision just slightly just come together like bing, 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 bing. Little by little, like I say, man, baby steps, gang. You gotta do it right, do it once, the way you want to, no corners cut, and shit, that's how you come out with a nasty demonstration. Oh my God, I can't wait. Yeah, when he finish up, y'all, I'm gonna look at this big ass spider. Gotta tell him. Gotta get rid of these spiders. They out of control in here, boy. That joint was just huge. I had to catch him real quick.
Hey, Koolie.
That's my second one. What up, what up?
One piece.
You need a piece of it?
Okay.
Go ahead, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool, go ahead. Yeah, y'all. It's coming together. It's coming together something crazy. Finished product coming up. I guess I'll just wait to cut it on when he put the side panels in, put all that up in there and everything like that, and just cut it on, let y'all see the finished product. Right now, I saw that little preview. I had to give y'all that preview. Shit. Yeah, that shit nasty. Yeah, that shit look nasty. Oh, I know what I want to do next, y'all. So shit, just taking baby steps with it. Whew, she coming together, y'all. Sit tight.
A few minutes later.
Dang. Man, I be forgetting to finish up the vlog for y'all, man. He done finished up everything inside here. Except for, like I said, literally I gotta get the visors. The visors is right here. I just need to get the brackets. I can go ahead and show y'all the visors. I got them tucked off because I don't want them to get dusty or nothing, but y'all see them Alcantara visors. I love the way you can kind of play with, you know, the way that you want that shit to lay, like, you know what I'm saying? Should be looking good, feeling good, up to par. Keep those things covered up for right now. And then let me show y'all what we working with on the young inside, cause it's all, I got a vacuum too, but we'll get to that in a minute, man. I gotta get to sleep. I'm over here mega tired. But yeah, what y'all think? Damn, come on, let's get some clarity. I might switch to the young phone or something. Oh no, y'all get that clarity. Y'all see what's going on? Yeah. That Alcantara looking crazy back here. Yes, sir. That Alcantara looking crazy. Let me get this. I'm trying to get the brightness and all that adjusted in here. No more floppiness going on when we in car. No more floppiness going on. Straight Alcantara. Look at that. You feel me? Move it that way. And clean on up. This way we at, right here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Or if you wanted to go that way, you know, you go that way with it. Suited and booted. Y'all likes this. And then I got the new interior joint. That's an LED joint. Let me see if it's gonna pick up for y'all. Let's see. Oh yeah, that bright demonstration. You know what I'm saying? Bing! That bright demonstration. But yeah, man, I'm overly geeked. So this is what I gotta get done next is the visors gotta get put in, but I'm just waiting for the new visor mount so I can put one over there, and it don't make sense him putting the visors in. Putting the rearview mirror in until he put the visors in, because as y'all see it clamp in right here, and then the visors lock in on this side and then the other visor lock in on that side. But shit, what y'all think, man? What do y'all think about the Alcantara on the inside? Oh, Mel's real just pulling up. She just pulling up so we can see what she think about it too. I need to clean it up. I gotta clean it up, get that one little straight wipe and everything up on there. But y'all see side panels done as well too. You know, like, shit, this the look in here, man. This give it a whole nother vibe. I mean, the Alcantara and the leather go hand in hand the right way. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see. Oh, she running there. Oh, they got a dip. Oh, they got a dip. Oh, they got a dip, I guess. Oh, you got a dip. I was about to see what you think about the young. Yeah, I gotta go. Got business appointment. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. You'll take a look at it another time. Did your car, let me see if I think I got your car keys on. You can open that door and see how it look right now. Oh, I don't got the keys. I think it's inside the house. Don't lock the door.
Okay, I'm just about to go.
No, I'm saying, you ain't locked the house door, right? No. All right, y'all. Well, that's a wrap on this one, man. I'm tired. I got to get in bed. Got a lot of stuff going on. I got to move this car on over to the corner. Move the other cars around, get it all situated, get everything back suited and booted for the day. Drop in the comment section, let me know what y'all think. This is just the one of many beginnings. What the hell is this on the back window? I'm gonna have to take a look at that. Probably just need to be cleaned out, like I say. Probably just need cleaned out because this wasn't there before. That's probably just like some glue residue or something like that. But yeah, get all this shit cleaned up and get it all suited and booted, get her back in her glow. And shit. Yeah, that's it for this one, man. So hope y'all enjoy it. I'm tired. Quick vlog. Just keeping y'all updated on everything we do to Freaky Gang. You know how I go. See y'all on the next video. Let's get it.